Alright, let's look at some chickens. I got all this okra. Look at all that. Still getting okra. Oh, oh, oh! I might have to make 2 videos. Who's doing that? Oh, that's the gold one. There's a second one now. I need to find out who it is. Because if he's not on the breeding list, he's going in the oven. Or the grill. Or a pot of soup. Or I'll just give him to the dogs raw. Something. Dogs like raw chicken. Oh, what? Oh, she didn't like that. That's the mama hen. He tried to get on the mama hen. She said, hell no. Get out of here, little boy. Oh, something spooked him. Oh, he spooked him. He's a big boy. That white one right there. There he goes. That white one right there, that's the biggest chicken that you can get. Uh-oh, I froze. I better stop this.